So today's wig is coming from Myfirstwig. Be sure to check out the previous video that I just did with you guys all the tips of how to go completely glueless. Companies are updating caps and I've been rolling them out to you. So we're going to talk about this cap construction. And let's get right into today's video. Be sure to subscribe. My name is Marie. Thumbs up the video. Let's get into it. So Myfirstwig now have the new 2.0 wig cap. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to tell you all the details and also try it on and show you guys how it fits. They give you a storage bag. They also give you a wig cap. So this wig features their new 3D cap. So let's take a look at it straight out the box. So it comes beautifully packaged. This is a straight texture, a silky straight. This is what the hair looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it has a bit of texture to it. So it's not like a silky straight. It does have a little bit of texture there. This is what the cap construction look like. This is a 13x6. This is made with their new 3D cap. Now the 3D cap is supposed to fit the head without any bulging, so that you guys can see the difference in the caps. This right here is the old version, and you can see that bulge right there, how it sticks up. It makes it hard for you to be able to wear your wig glueless when you have this part right here, because that means this top area does not lay flat. So this is the old version of. Now this is the new version of the 3D cap. So as you can see at the area how it goes downward like this, that means that when you put your wig on, you won't have that part, the middle part of the lace sticking up, and it will lay flat when you get ready to put on your wig. So this is a good cap construction if you are looking to wear your wig without any glue at all. So we're going to try on their wig and see how it fits. Just pull it over using the straps, making sure everything is tucked. Let me style it a little bit. Right now I am noticing that it is a bit longer right here at the ear area. It's kind of adjusted a bit. So let's do that and then I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. This is what it looks like after I have done everything. It's still glueless. There is no glue on this. As you can see, it's still glueless. If I turn to the side, even with the glueless style, there is no lifting right there. You don't have to worry about using melting spray to lay this area here because it's already laid down. So the cap itself, I love the fit because it definitely gives you an option to actually wear it glueless without having to add any product to it. As far as how it fit on me, now this may vary from person to person. From ear to ear, it was pretty long, so I had to cut it down. And even wearing it glueless right now, this area is flopping just because I may need to like add a slit behind the ear, you know, like around the ear separation there. Now, as far as the fit in the back, it is a bit big in the back for me. I have it adjusted as tight as possible in the back. I will put this wig in the description box. You guys can go over there and check and see if it comes in different wig sizes, which I think you can get it customized to your head size. That's usually not an issue with them. Now, as far as the actual parting, as you can see, you can part it any which way. If you saw in the video, I did part it, you know, all over to show you that there is really good parting. The knots look so good. It gives scalp, definitely. The hairline on this wig, you would really need to push it back in order to see it. It's not like that shaped out pre-plucked. It's just pre-plucked, and even as you can see right here, it's just giving like just regular hairline a little bit. It does come with some layers to it, so this is a straight style, and as you can see, I didn't cut any of these layers. They came naturally like that. Love the taper of the hair. The hair quality itself feels really, really good. It's silky, but not too silky. Now with Myfirstwig, their hair kind of irritates me a little bit sometimes, not because of the quality, just because it's so silky that it kind of like goes all over the place. This particular hair itself, I feel like has just enough texture where it's not that bad. This is about 180 for them, because normally their 150 is a little bit thinner than this is, but this feels like 180. But I do love the way the hair flows. It flows so beautifully. With this being glueless, you can style it. Matter of fact, I want to switch it up and do a middle part. Maybe for me, I can get a more natural look doing a middle part. However, it does come with the side part. Now this does have a deep parting, so you can part it pretty deep. You can style it too. So this is what it looks like with a middle part. I do like it better with the middle part. That's just my opinion. I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comment section. It wasn't that hard to work with this wig. As far as the cap construction, I do wish that I didn't have to cut anything from the cap. I guess it just depends on if you go with the size that fits you or not. The only thing I always notice about Myfirstwig is their hair is super silky sometimes. To try to work with it and get it to go where you want to go, you definitely need to use some hairsprays and some hair waxes just to get it to lay. But this is straight out the box. If I wash it, I'm pretty sure it will perform just a little bit less silky. That's usually how it go after you wash the textures. But I do love this a lot. It's very gorgeous. I'm going to have it linked down in the description box for you guys with a discount if you are looking to get it. But yeah, I think it's a really great cap construction. Like I said, it's still laying flat. We are still glueless, and it's very snug because I could barely squeeze that underneath the lace. So it is very snug there. So yeah. Everything will be down below in the description box. Be sure to check there, and I will see you all back in my next video.